Eva. Today I want to share a new technology of the film laminating. Many customers want to ask why after printing we need the film laminating on the cover, because every printing machine can supply the very beautiful color, but after printing, how to protect the surface of the paper? How can we keep the color very beautiful and the color can transport? Because after printing, the paper will display many kinds of the product. Maybe they will become to box, bag, book, and act. So we can take a close. After printing, if without film laminating, for example, we add the water, the surface like this. So it's damaged, right? Okay. Next we see, and this paper after laminating. Here we can see after laminating here with the film, and here without. And now we do the water. We can see very clear. The surface is no problem. That's okay. And after dry, the surface will perfect. So after film laminating, the product can proof dust, proof water, proof oil, so can make the color very beautiful and keep the color on the paper. Maybe you will think it is a film, right? In fact, without film, why? Many customers want to ask why without film, and the color and the paper set can protect by the coat. Okay. Today we will introduce the deplastination coating technology of the film laminating. So next we will share the film laminating machine running video with you. More film laminating processing skill will come to communicate with us. Thanks so much.